memories are best left unremembered. Indeed, the best kept secrets.
The time of your life. Monday at 9, ITV1.
Do you want to look like a first advisor will ensure your case is resolved? And with a great new deal, featuring 0% on balance transfers and 0% on purchases.
She's got all big eyes.
1st, 2008. I'm calling chapter 1.
Well, you're
Off the road and perform on the road. From place to farm, on your own highway. Keith Van Cherry, a legend on
Book up the summer with the next summer sale. All sale items half price or next. The next summer sale starts tomorrow, Saturday. No stores open from 5 a.m.
again, a pretty soft.
the rest of spring. Kill Jones.
Right now, around the villa, you can save over 500 on these two recliner sofas, just $7.99 the pair.
Or save 700 on these two recliner sofas, just $7.99 the pair. Or save 400 on these two recliner sofas, you guessed it, $7.99 the pair. And whichever you choose, get this luxury hardwood patio set, in-store price $9.99, absolutely free.
If I get clawed, I will spit you.
Yeah, where are you going? Bye.